Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I and all things that's good. Seen? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and help grow the channel. You don't know. No, me I do that one here say enough respect to all of the first and foremost. Next, enough respect to all of the St. Thomas people. Them. But I'm proud for say East. You know, see it? Yes, I. Big up the East people, them. People them out of Bath. Yeah. Wake up this morning from last night, as a matter of fact, I man have chills Rasta. I man love the effort where the eye them put in a finding back Felicia Proja. You know, see it? Yeah. You see, say, with a just art and true intent, we can do anything. His Majesty done say that, you know. You know, see it? With a just cause, yeah, even in this time, with a just cause and a pure heart, David can still slew Goliath. You know, see it, people, St. Thomas people prove it too no last night. You know, see it, and the trial still a go on because right on the back of that, after them find back Felicia Proja, straight away, Winshea Barrett go missing. And the same culprit is to be blamed. You know, see it, me, you know, there is no time to feel good, really. But again, we have a good feelings about the people of St. Thomas in finding this culprit here. You know, see it, and me anticipate the day when them find him. And that day the media don't want to talk about. Me never really want to talk and a ball about this coming up. You know, see it, I have to just pray for the best. See, like our prayer yesterday for the past couple of days, and Felicia Proja come back all right. You know, see it, we give thanks. We give thanks to the Most High. And Felicia Proja, if you hear this, you and your mother, your family, just go and pray and have faith in the Most High and know that all things is possible. See it, be strong in yourself and know that the whole of we love you. You know, see, the whole of we love you. You're our daughter, you're the whole of we sister, you're the whole of we granddaughter, and you're we. See, stay with we, mama, and don't get, you know, don't get caught up. It's all good. See, everybody get a cross for carry. Everybody not get a cross, but have many crosses for carry over them lifetime. You know, see, more blessed princess. You know, see, love for the family and love one of Winshea Barrett. You know, see, I could just go and keep the same faith, maintain the energy and the vigilancy. See, keep the inspiration going, St. Thomas people. You know, see, help find this little girl here. Winshea Barrett. And bring her home to her parents again. You know, see it. Before we go no further, we want to big up man like Joel Ras. You know, a man like you, our local hero. You know, see it. Yeah. See it. Paul Bogle spirit, Paul Bogle blood. Float up. You know, see it. Yeah, look like him. The eye them look. Yes, I. We give thanks. We feel pleased. We feel proud. Them little thing, yeah. We look at community effort and we show some guys say, more time we don't need you. You see it? Cause, you see it? We do this without the police. We do this without the soldier. We do this without the government. You see it? St. Thomas people, Rasta. Yeah, man. We give thanks higher. We can't stop be proud of the eye them. You see it? This coming like, this bigger than when Bolt win a gold medal. You see it? This is a parish winning a gold trophy, Rasta. You see it? Parish of the year. St. Thomas people, them, to me, parish of the decade. When last you see a parish, the community get together in any parish and root out or address any level of evil, any manner of evil will exist amongst them, Rasta. St. Thomas people, at soft tune up on this day. Rasta, big up on yourself. Keep the spirit, keep the motivation. Me say, with a just cause, yeah, and a righteous spirit, you can clean out any bad, dirty element in our community. Same way. You see it? I can't wait for the whole of boy. You see it? This at the top of the bucket. You see it? The boy act like St. Thomas is a fishing well, and him just have him hook a drop it in it and grab out people, picnic and run gone about him business whenever I'm ready, Rasta. You see it? The boy don't know where him come. St. Thomas people. That boy don't know where him there. They can't wait for the whole him. You see it? You know what I say? Just like I say, Rasta, we don't need the government to deal with that one here. St. Thomas people has proven that last night. See? And they're back at it again because this guy are bright. This guy have a big sickness in his head. And people when know him say him not sick. Him is just like that. You know see it? Go check Wally British page. Wally British. Know him. Wally British have a brother. Share a brother with him. She and him and a brother, but she share a brother with him. You know, like Wally British father for him brother. Father too. You know see it? So him now and the brother share the same mother. You know see it? So people there will know him and know him from a long time and know him propensity. You know see it? And probably wish them could have did you know me I say, deal with him themselves. Because I know Wally British not pleased with them thing. I come join here all our name. The moment you know all our stalwart woman like that in our society where make bread out of stone. You should have behaved your nasty self and just know for the fact say we even link so close to a lady like that. Me I just do what me fi do and protect the image. You know see it? God, you don't know them things. I'll do it now and damage it can't damage. We don't go make that do nothing. You know see it? Bottom line is people know you're Rasta. We have strong representation out here. We know you. You know see it? And the people them where you know yes I.
So me say me nah ball out the boy, take out the bloody wet down and blow man out. So me hear on the video. I want the man to get there. When the man reach a distance and come there so now. Me I say, where people and pity them are you, where people? And he took off hand me the back and where people there? And him a run and was lick me no man. Cause me still I run him down and drop. And lick my belly and my knee. And me just lay down and hold my belly and I watch it. Me say my body of fun.
Really and truly. Whenever time a guy from Warieka say him find the foot trail overcome, so we turn back from spot, the local say where would I go? When I turn back I'm going to look on the foot track, you see say him just pass it, sometimes him just pass it or something. Sometimes when a man say I'm going to go up on the side and I'm going to go up on the side. So we take the road now. And say we're going to take the road to the side where the man is going to come up to on the other side. So when we go up on top now, here the man at the next side run and stuff and Warieka say, you find him. So we make your spore go up on the side. Me and Omar Strand our next. I'm a policeman and banner. Go up on the hilltop and capture. Just right how we start right. Carry go on hospital because the dramatized. Well, I feel good right now. I can't explain so much. But I'm a friend, I couldn't the whole way down don't reach us. I'm here say my wire. So I say we're going to push out hard here for this day and yesterday. And when I find him yesterday, I'll find him today. So we'll give thanks.
Yeah. You know, wrong place you gone. You know see it? Wrong place you gone, probably at the right place. Because everywhere else you did there, we call the name one time. You know, David Bryant, me I thought. The dirty predator boy. Dirty sick slime predator boy when we groove through the leaf them. Like some give me now going on that distract from the thing. You know, yes I. Yeah man. You know, see it. You know, probably, you know, nobody no deserve that. I mean, I want to say it out of context to make it feel like so well then. Man, there say the farmer enjoyment or the farmer drama or what would you call humor. Yes, sir, Rasta. That's far from the case. You know, see it. But me kind of feel confident say the St. Thomas man them will reward you and give you your just reward. You just reward Rasta. You know see it? On the back of everything over there, I scream about the lady them where get abused in Jamaica, particularly in the entertainment industry. You know see it? You choose I mean, the argument viral without the woman, they must scream out and cry out. One of the main topic in the media role last week. Another week that you choose to rise up like a devil. You just decide what? Your conscience are bad, you feel all of the past crime them where you keep up and things like that, and you decide you don't know how to come out. You see, because now we are here say, Tiana Williams has been missing since the 11th of October. You see it? From within the same vicinity. You see it? No, this cause for serious concern. Because it's been a while since this young lady had gone missing. You see it? And we don't hear nothing about her. Luckily, the other night, CCTV catch the culprit and move with Felicia Proja. You see it? So, instantly, people pick up on the trail and move to him and find him within days. Find Felicia Proja. See? Now, where Tiana Williams, there, that are one next big serious concern for we. You see it? This now give it serious, because we don't think that boy have another tent somewhere where him hide she. I mean, the thing should I just stay hidden so. You see it? This is where the thing gets serious and concerning. We don't want, opinion on what could have did happen to the young lady, like how we never did a ginon on Felicia Proja last night, and we see she come back the way Jawanta to come back. See it at the same thing would have hope say with Tiana Williams. See it? See it? And also Winshare Barrett. We are hope to them two young ladies come back for find them back safe and well, But this guy here, Rasta, this guy here, we are going with them thing here. We come at the wrong place. See it? The place here, the last place here come. East at the last place here come to them thing here. You know, walk out of the one here, Rasta. I strongly believe, I can promise you that. See it? Because East people now gonna make you walk with gun away. Like says another day that. See it? They argue out, your picture out. See it? The interest in you is out. So anywhere you go, anywhere you think you can go. See it? We are going to find you, Rasta. See it? At the wrong place you come, you bring your evil come and your destruction on the young people of the community. We not used to them things, we not treat people so. See it? And you see the fervor last night, and last night was night. See it? Don't feel like say the pressure now go double, triple, 4, 5 times over this morning, see it? Because we don't cook no food neither, and search for your whole day, boy. See it? See it? So we want to big up Joel Ross again, and the rest of man them and the whole community. And if we didn't know the name, we try call on the name 111 to the Rasta. I am so proud to say I am from the East. See it? Yes, we love how the community step out and turn it up. See it? And this is a lesson for people from all of the community all over. Augustown, Mobile, Flankers. See it? Westmoreland and all of them places there. I see them so when the community strength come out and turn it up and boy, them take bush feet and keep moving. See it? When community turn against boy now know where figure boy have to take away himself, no matter how bad him is, how much bullet him have. He can't shoot up so much people one time before him get him head bust off. See it? And so it always go from a long time, man used to get them all them bike chop up. Them gun where them come with for come rob, chop up. Them a bit out of bike spokes and them where the police have to pick them up out of. See it? See it? Yeah, man. With strong faith and a just cause, David can still slew Goliath in this time today. No matter how big and powerful an army going like him is, him can't stronger than faith. And the true cause from your cause is right. You know, see, no boy can't bad like you. Me I tell you like I pay some boy I get paid, some boy have some ulterior motive, ambition driven motive why them a come at you and you move to your life and your civility and liberty. You know, see, that mean more than any reward where a guy did a work for, you know, Rasta. You know, see, can't stop sing the item praises this morning, St. Thomas people. I am very proud of the item. You know, see it. You know, see it. Yes, Rasta. Enough big up, enough respect to the man them, to the item, to the woman them, to the little children, all to the dog them. You know, see it. Can't put no. Well, when I say the police should have did no more or can't do more or whatever, the army or however, I not say because you know, so them stretch and them alone and them or whatever. You see, what I know is that them under pressure, see, and little or no resource from the you know what I say, yeah. So the facts are well and poor people themselves can step out and take the initiative, you know, see it, and bite the, you know, see it, a heroic status that, you know, see it, me love, me proud, me please, and you don't know, St. Thomas people don't know what that mean. St. Thomas people don't know what them do. I hope some boy on one side and see what the people them do, you know, see it, and know, say, all one of the people them will come for same way too. Come chop you out of no cocoon and put you no whisper to no for there. You know see it? You know see it? Because majority well-to-do, law-abiding citizens living in them community where them little boy rise up from and keep up them and terrorize the community. Any day them people you turn against son and put cutlass pound up. Me say, me can't wait for, me want St. Thomas people use that boy as an example to the rest. I want to ride across Jamaica where a terrorized community in a different way. It might not be them little thing that where that guy ya do, or them big thing where that guy ya do. You know see, but a time for the people them start, you know what I mean, pre the thing and take effective action because at the end of the day, I get effect, I suffer, I struggle with the burden of people and things like them, the Rasta. Poor people. You know see? So, no disrespect. You keep prodding any life farm Rasta. You keep prod them, them are gonna react one day and them all react, you know, nasty. You know see it? You know see it? And as far as to me concerned, I built up a guan out of St. Thomas the Rasta, where it's proof and it's gonna be an example for the rest of them. I can predict that from now. I don't know how that boy gonna bury himself and hide, or how he gonna run through wherever and go whisper whenever. You know see it, but I don't feel any of this what him do is gonna be worth it when St. Thomas people hold him. You know see it? And me I hope say them hold him. Who is this guy, man? Who him thinking is? I mean, you know, you can't come, we not do that. You know see, you can't come snatch we pick me out of a place like that, carry our gun and all them. And the whole of we pick me that. And the whole of we are hurt as a parent. You know see, yeah man, you know do that and me say, it's on. Yeah, boy, Davian, it's on. And the people are at you. What you mean? Kind of big idiot, disturb behavior than the Rasta. You know see it? We not have it out of East there. You know see, we not have it out of East there. I mean, no, I'm a hope on the back of this. I hope on the back of this. I hope this be the last straw for the people them with uno and a little dirty crosses behavior, terrorist behavior, we have out upon the people them. You know see it? Yes, Rasta, this might be the straw we break the camel back of Jamaica and people see the need for community action or the potential community action when them come together as a unit and move to whatever faction them feel say affect them. You know see, this is a prime example. Anyway, I give thanks. St. Thomas people keep the straight and keep the faith going. You know see, mad love and respect. Proud to be East. Rastafari.